Hi. One of the things we get asked for a lot is how to set a masked redirect. That is, we have a domain name, and on that domain name we want to show the content of another website, but we don't want to redirect to that website. We want to have our domain showing the URL. Also, we don't host that other website, so we have to show content that's hosted somewhere else on the domain with us. Usually what you do is if you have the hosting with us, we can just change the domain that runs that hosting. But if you, for example, wanted to show the content of another website, we're going to, in this case, use bbc.co.uk. On our website, that's example.tsotraining.co.uk. This is how you do it. It's generally not at all recommended because it could penalise you for SEO, and it's just very messy, as you'll see. But if you wanted to do it, here's what you do. I've just added a new domain to the control panel, example.tsotraining.co.uk. Let's click it. You'll see this is what you get when you just added a website. We want to go into the file manager. We can do it all there. In the public HTML, that's where your files run out of. Now, we can use an index.php to do it. Actually, we can just code this in HTML. We're not doing anything fancy, so I'm just going to remove that and remove this, so we've got nothing in there. Then I'll create a new file called index.html. Now, if I go to this page now on here, you'll see there's just this index page, index.html, nothing there. Let's now create some content. The way we do it is something called an iFrame, and the code looks like this. iFrame source. Then in this, we want to put the domain name we want to load from, bbc.co.uk, and then we just close the iframe. If my code's right, what we should now see on this page is this. You see the BBC page now runs in a little frame on the website. Obviously, this doesn't look real, so what we want to do is we set style width 100%, height 100%. So look, I've just done basically that variable in sort of a CSS type variable. This variable here with a colon at the end. That's okay. Let's try that now. You see that's now 100% wide, 100% small. It still looks like it's in a frame of sorts, so let's get rid of that. So we want to do border none. Okay, and there we are. We've now got BBC's website running on example.tsotraining. We should default to that. So yeah, you can see example.tsotraining.co.uk now runs this website as a frame redirect. I could click these links and you'll see it stays example.tsotraining. This is what it's called a frame redirect. It's what some people call when they say domain masking. It's basically running a different website under our domain name. It's really, I can see points of it. It's not really something we'd ever recommend doing, but that's how you do it. And if you want to get rid of it, just edit the file, just get rid of it like that. And there you are now. You'll get, clear this file. It's just something's not saved. That's because it was empty. Let's just put something in there. Now you see it's blank. Actually, if I wanted to show BBC on the website, a much better way to do it would just be to add the redirect. Like this. And you can see now the site just redirects to bbc.co.uk. I've pretty much achieved the same ends. Thanks.